And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 113. Let me show you how you can place text around an object. I've created this cutout here using a website called RemoveBG that does that automatically for you. You can just upload an image like this, and then it does that somehow, and you're gonna get the cutout. You can also see there's a pricing option, but even in its free form, you're gonna get good results. It's a smaller resolution, but it's enough for many projects. All that we need is one guide. You can drag it out of your rulers. If you can't see your rulers, press Ctrl R. We need the area type tool, but first we need the pen tool. Just left click here on the guide. You can hold Shift and then go to left. This is going to make the line snap into the same angle. Then go upwards holding Shift, go to the right holding Shift, go to the bottom holding Shift until you've arrived at the guide again. And then go over the outline of the guy. You don't have to be perfect, just a rough outline like this. And you know what, let me give that an outline color. And here you can see it. So it's this element with the black line. Now we use the area type tool, go to the black line and then left click. And you can already see this, the placeholder ipsum text placed around this object. I clear the guides, press Ctrl R. And as always, you can left click on the text and then adjust it. For example, increase the size, change the font family. And if you press T and left click on it, you can change the text and it will be placed around this object. So it will be placed inside of the shape that we've created. Once again, I've linked to RemoveBG in the video description if you want to use it. And also the image can be found there. So if you want to practice with the same example, you can easily do that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.